Welcome! In this short tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set up and configure the MQTT client of the DT80 laser distance sensor. Let's get started. Here's an example setup. The DT80 is connected via Ethernet to your network. In our case, we're using a Raspberry Pi with Mosquito installed as the MQTT broker. To subscribe to the MQTT messages, we'll use a tablet running an MQTT client app. First, make sure the Ethernet adapter is configured correctly on your PC. Open SOPAS ET or the web server and connect to the device. Navigate to the connection page where you'll find all Ethernet and MQTT-related settings. Start by entering the IP address of your MQTT broker. In our case, it's the Mosquito broker. Then enter the port number, which is typically 1883, and provide the login credentials for your broker. Next, configure the topic that the DT80 will publish to. By default, the topic is DT80_, followed by the device's serial number. You can also set the update time. The minimum update time is 100 milliseconds. Additionally, choose a quality of service level between 0 to 2 on your reliability needs. Finally, use the checkboxes to select which data should be included in the published topic. Once you are done, check the connection status on the home page. In the status panel, you'll see whether the MQTT connection has been successfully established. In addition, the MQTT client can also be configured directly via the display. Just navigate to the interface menu. There you'll find all MQTT settings available right on the device. Now let's subscribe to the DT80's topic. Open your MQTT client app on your mobile device. Enter the broker IP address, port number, and login credentials. Then scan for available topics and hit subscribe. Alternatively, you can type in the topic name. You should now start seeing live data from the sensor. And that's it! Thanks for watching!